Hello everybody, Manny Channel 2 here, and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing a reaction video to Dennis Daily. Have watched some of it. My cousin, she watches like every day, and she plays his Roblox games. Let's go through it.
Get the brand new Dennis.
Whoa, bro. This bro. This is not good. Alright. It's not good. Okay. Don't. He got merch. What does he have merch? But probably doesn't look that good merch, so.
Available at denisdaily.com.
What the heck is that, man? What the heck is that intro, man? What is that intro? Huh? He's the intro supposed to be like, man, no one likes Dennis Daily, man. No one likes Dennis. Dennis is weird. No one likes Dennis, and he should go to not YouTube. No one likes Dennis. No one likes Dennis. He should be on YouTube forever. That's the reason intro, man.
It is time to leave this forsaken prison, but first...
What? He plays Roblox, but he has a phone in Roblox? That's impossible, man. That's pretty...
Get one phone call, and I'm going to use it. Okay. Okay. Sir Maslow, hello. Okay, I'm using you for my one phone call, okay? I'm in prison right now, and I need your help.
Man, what the what? First of all, man, I heard that Sir Maslow had his own YouTube channel, right? But I hate Sir Maslow. Sir Maslow is not the cool. He's the lamest. And probably then, hot. He should be, Shimira's, intro. Meow, 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 meow. I hate Shimira. Shimira is the weirdest cat. No one cares about him. That's the big intro, man.
Meow, 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 meow.
How
do you know I'm in prison?
Meow, 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 meow.
Look to my left. Oh, right, you're in here with me. Oh, well, that was a wasted phone call. Okay, fine, we should probably just leave then. Okay, so it's nighttime right now, meaning there may be some sort of easy way to do a little bit of a sneak. Maybe the police aren't really paying too much attention right now. Okay, perfect. This guy is punching the box that it says don't punch.
It says the police. But now look. Okay, okay. What is he inside right now? A chair, right?
Punch, but everyone always punches it. Oh, it's open. No, no. Okay, well, now I gotta punch it. Take that. And this. Oh, this guy, you do the dirty work, huh? Okay. There we go. Ooh, and a little bit of a sneaky as well. Wait a second. Eat a lift gate. Oh, you lift it. Oh man, and then go underneath. Oh, okay. Oh no, it's the po-po. Oh geez, that's not good. Don't worry. Oh no, that's not my car. No, 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 no. Don't do it. Don't do it. The police officer came real close. How am I going to escape? Oh, perfect. Just through there. Oh, but there's police officers.
Oh, perfect. His voice is swing. His voice is legit so annoying. His voice shouldn't be even there. first of all, dude, I like tofu, but except Dennis. So I think that's gonna wrap up for today, guys. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.